Can a candle change your life? Sarah, a Seattle mom, turned her fight for her mom's cancer battle into a thriving candle business. Sincerely, Sarah Jane, that's now her full-time gig. With this side hustle exploding in 2025, her story's trending wild. And it's your ticket to starting or boosting your business. Let's dive into how she did it. Grab 5 tips to launch your dream and get you moving today. Ready to ignite your future? Let's dive in. Meet Sarah, a Seattle mom who started Sincerely Sarah Jane in 2020. Her mom was battling stage 4 breast cancer and store candles gave her headaches. Turns out mainstream ones had toxic additives. So Sarah got to work, crafting clean candles with 100% soy wax and eco-friendly jars, safe for her mom to breathe. What started as a stress reliever hobby in thrifted teacups became a business, with a portion of proceedings going to Seattle Cancer Care Alliance. By August 2024, Sarah quit her day job to run SSJ full-time, selling on Etsy, Faire, and her site, with wholesale deals to boutiques. Her TikTok showing her kids naming scents built a loyal fan base. Why is this hot? Side hustles are the 2020-25 move. Searches for start a business are up 20% as tariffs hit 2.8% inflation. The candle market set to hit 9.9 billion by 2028. Sarah's eco-friendly, heartfelt brand is riding that wave. Her story's proof. You can turn passion into profit. How'd Sarah go from hobby to boss? First, she had a mission: clean candles for her mom. Health using vegan, phthalate-free scents and recyclable packaging. Second, she started scrappy at $200 on supplies, thrifted jars, and her kitchen as headquarters. Third, she nailed social media. Raw TikTok videos of her pouring candles with her kids created a "you can sit with us" vibe, not just salesy. Fourth, she scaled smart, added wholesale accounts and quarterly subscription box, shipping in April, July, October, and January. By June 2024, she hired a full-time employee and took her first paycheck, showing real growth. Finally, her story tied to her mom's cancer fight, connected deeply, driving loyalty with 80% of small businesses starting under $5,000. Sarah's hustle shows anyone can build something big with heart and grit. Ready to start your business or level up? Here's 5 tips from Sarah's playbook to get you going. Find your why. Sarah's mission was her mom. Your why could be freedom, family, or a cause. Write it down, share it on your first social post. HubSpot says purpose-driven brands grow 15% faster. Do it tonight. Start scrappy. Sarah used thrifted jars, spent $50 on supplies like wax or fabric, and made one product. Forbes says lean startups succeed 25% more. Sell it to friends by Friday. Post real content. Sarah's TikTok was unpolished. Film a 15-second clip of your work like baking or crafting with hashtag small business. Aim for 300 views in a week. It's free, and Sarah built thousands of fans this way. Start it today. Add a revenue stream. Sarah's wholesale and subscription box boosted cash flow. Try one new channel like Etsy or a local shop. Shopify says diversification cuts risk 30%. Pinch one retailer by Monday. Get to work. Connect emotionally. Sarah's cancer story won hearts. Share your journey. Maybe a struggle or a dream in a post. Shopify says storytelling lifts sales 20%. Try it and track orders. These work. Sarah's full-time now, and brands like Evermore London hit global stores this way. Pick one step and roll. I know you're feeling it. Excited but nervous. Wondering if you've got what it takes. Sarah was too. Pouring candles while juggling motherhood and jobs, not to mention her mother. She started small And now she's living her dream. You don't need a big budget, just one action. Make that first product, post that first video, and see where it takes you. What's your business idea? Share it below. I'm cheering you on. Hit like if Sarah's story sparks something, and let's make 2025 your year to shine. Go start your side hustle. If you need help, comment below, reach out to us. We have business coaches, all types of things to help grow your business. If you need to know how to start your business, set up your website, your Shopify, run ads, any of those things, we have people in place that will help you, or even people you can employ at a fraction of the cost that will get some of these things done and out of your way if it's creating a headache. Let's try to remove roadblocks and try to succeed more. Here's to Sarah's success, and here's to your success. Keep on trucking. Take care.